Whether you're building a bookshelf, framing a doorway, or just love the smell of fresh cut wood, these 14 carpentry tools will make your projects smoother, sharper, and way more satisfying. Let's dive into the gear that turns good work into great craftsmanship. Number 1. Shape, smooth, and refine with confidence using the Rex BD 25-piece metal file set, a complete kit built for precision and durability. Crafted from premium T12 drop-forged alloy steel, each file features deeply milled, tempered teeth for long-lasting cutting power across wood, metal, and plastic. You get 4 large files: flat, triangle, half-round, and round, plus 12 precision needle files for detailed work, 6 sandpapers, a metal brush, gloves, and a rugged carry case to keep everything organized. The long, rubberized handles offer comfort and control, letting you work for hours without fatigue. Whether you're shaping wood joints, deburring metal edges, or refining 3D prints, this kit gives you the right tool for every task. Number 2. For flawless finishes and silky smooth surfaces, reach for the Spear & Jackson No. 3 Smoothing Plane, a timeless tool built for precision and control. Ideal for cabinet making and general joinery, this classic hand plane features a cast iron body with a precision milled base and faces, ensuring flat, consistent contact with your workpiece. Its 1¾ inch high carbon steel blade slices cleanly through hardwoods and softwoods alike, while the brass adjusting screw gives you fine control over depth and alignment. Whether you're refining dovetails, smoothing panels, or prepping stock for finish, this No. 3 plane delivers professional-grade results with every pass. It's not just a tool, it's a craftsman's companion, built to last and designed to elevate your woodworking from good to exceptional. Number 3. Keep your edges razor-sharp with the Saker Honing Guide and Diamond Whetstone Kit, a precision sharpening system built for serious woodworkers. Its off-center roller design makes it perfect for short chisels and planer blades, while the angle-fixing guide ensures uniform sharpening across the entire edge. Adjust the distance between the blade and guide to lock in standard sharpening angles, giving you consistent results every time. Compatible with blades from 0.2 to 2.55 inches wide, a metal stud secures it, so your tool stays locked in, even if tipped. The wide roller base adds stability and smooth motion, eliminating tipping and making sharpening effortless. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's corrosion-resistant and built to last. No rust, no wobble, just clean, accurate edges. Whether you're restoring old chisels or maintaining your favorite plane, Saker makes sharpening simple, stable, and satisfying. Number 4. Build custom cabinets with precision using the Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig, your go-to tool for clean, consistent shelf pinholes. Designed for 1/4 inch and 5mm shelf pins, this jig includes 2 matching drill bits and features standard 32mm spacing between hardened metal guide bushings for professional-grade accuracy. Its clear body construction gives you full visibility while drilling, reducing errors, and keeping your workspace clean. The detachable fence offers flexible offsets. Choose between 37mm or 64mm to match your project needs. With centering notches and indexing pins, you can easily align and reposition the jig to create an unlimited series of perfectly spaced holes. Whether you're building bookshelves, kitchen cabinets, or storage units, this jig makes shelf installation fast, repeatable, and frustration-free. Milescraft brings precision and simplicity together, so your shelves sit straight, sturdy, and exactly where you want them. Number 5. When precision matters, reach for the Profiler Plus multifunction scribing tool, your go-to solution for flawless contour marking across wood, tile, stone, and more. Its adjustable scribe width and self-locking mechanism ensure consistent, professional-grade lines, even on complex profiles and uneven surfaces. Perfect for cabinetry, flooring, and trim work, this tool glides smoothly for unlimited tracing distance, helping you mark with speed and accuracy. The reversible pencil holder fits popular markers like the Pika Dry 3030 or any standard pencil, giving you flexibility without sacrificing precision. Whether you're fitting panels to curved walls or marking cut lines on stone, the Profiler Plus delivers clean, repeatable results every time. Built for pros, loved by DIYers, this scribing tool turns tricky installations into seamless fits. Profiler Plus isn't just a marking tool, it's your shortcut to craftsmanship. Number 6. Get your lines straight and your projects spot on with the FireCore 9-inch magnetic torpedo level, a compact powerhouse built for precision. Its magnetic base locks securely onto metal surfaces, making it perfect for hands-free leveling during framing, shelf installs, or pipework. Equipped with 3 bubble vials, horizontal, 0 degree, vertical, 90 degree, and angled, 45 degree, you'll get accurate readings for every angle, whether you're hanging pictures or laying bricks. The shockproof rubber end caps protect the frame and vials from drops and bumps, while the lightweight ABS housing keeps it durable without weighing you down. With built-in hanging holes, it's easy to store safely between jobs. From carpentry and masonry to landscaping and home renovation, this level is your go-to tool for fast, reliable alignment. FireCore makes leveling simple, sturdy, and spot on, every time. Number 7. Keep your screws, nails, and drill bits right where you need them with the RAK Magnetic Wristband, the ultimate hands-free helper for any project. Embedded with 10 powerful magnets, this wristband securely holds small metal parts like bolts, washers, and bits, so you're not constantly reaching for the toolbox or dropping hardware mid-task. Perfect for DIY projects, carpentry, auto repair, and home improvement, it straps comfortably to your wrist, belt, or even hangs above your workbench for easy access. Made from premium nylon with a breathable mesh and adjustable strap, it fits most wrists and stays comfortable all day long. It's like a tool belt for your wrist, compact, convenient, and surprisingly strong. Whether you're fixing up the house or gifting a gadget-loving dad, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is a smart, practical upgrade for any toolbox.
Number 8. Dial in perfect angles with the Hupar Digital Angle Finder, a compact, high-precision inclinometer built for serious accuracy. With plus, minus 0.1 degree precision at 0 degree and 90 degree, and a built-in temperature sensor, it delivers reliable readings even in extreme conditions, from freezing cold to blazing heat. Switch between 0 to 90 degree or 0 to 180 degree modes, and choose from 4 measurement units: degrees, percent, millimeters, meters, or inches, feet, for total flexibility across woodworking, plumbing, auto repair, and framing. The strong magnetic base attaches securely to saw blades, pipes, and ducts, keeping your hands free for safer, faster adjustments. Its high-contrast VA LCD screen offers crystal-clear visibility, even in direct sunlight, while the Smart Tilt guidance helps fine-tune cuts and alignments with ease. Compact, durable, and easy to carry, it's the go-to tool for pros and DIYers who demand precision. Hupar makes angle setting effortless, accurate, and built to last. Number 9. Meet the most versatile pry bar you'll ever own. Engineered for demolition, renovation, and everything in between. Its indexing head adjusts to multiple angles, making it perfect for tight spaces and awkward corners. From trim and molding to tile and flooring, this tool adapts to the job. Built tough with a solid steel shaft and a reinforced hammer strike plate, it's ready for serious force, without bending or breaking. The narrow jab ends slide easily under fixtures, while the oversized comfort grip handle lets you work longer without hand fatigue. Whether you're removing cabinets, windows, doors, or fixtures, this tool delivers precision and power in one rugged package. It's not just a pry bar, it's your go-to solution for fast, efficient teardown and clean removal. Number 10. Precision meets simplicity with these stair gauges for framing squares and circular saws. Your go-to jig stops for accurate layouts and repeatable cuts. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, they're rust-resistant, durable, and built for long-term use. The integrated knob and copper clamping plate offer a secure grip. No loose screws, no slipping. With a 0 to 0.24-inch clamping range, they lock onto your framing square for quick measurements and consistent angle settings, perfect for stair stringers, rafter cuts, and layout work. The anti-slip silicone pad prevents scratches and keeps your square stable while marking or cutting. Need portability? The magnetic keychain design keeps them within reach. Just snap them on and go. They even double as circular saw rip guides, boosting your cutting accuracy and efficiency. Number 11. Meet the Soccer. 12-inch folding carpenter square. A smart, space-saving upgrade for precision marking and layout. Its innovative foldable design gives you the best of both worlds. Compact storage and a full 12-inch marking range when unfolded. Perfect for tight toolboxes and busy job sites. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry and quick to deploy. Ideal for framing, cabinetry, stair layout, and general carpentry. Whether you're working in the shop or on-site, this square helps you mark clean lines and accurate angles without the bulk of traditional framing squares. Fold it up to save space. Unfold it to unlock full functionality. This tool adapts to your workflow and keeps your layout sharp.
Number 12. Stay protected, organized, and comfortable with the UUP Woodworking Apron, a heavy-duty shop essential built for serious makers. Made from 20-OZ waxed canvas, it's water-resistant, oil-proof, and dirt-repellent, perfect for messy jobs without sacrificing mobility. Reinforced with double stitching, brass grommets, and rivets, it's built to last through years of wear and tear. With 9 multifunctional tool pockets, you'll keep everything from tape measures to wrenches right at your fingertips. A 7.5-inch chest pocket holds your phone, while a magnetic pocket grabs screws, nails, and bits. No more fumbling or dropping hardware. The cross-strap design with padded shoulders distributes weight evenly, preventing neck and back strain during long hours in the shop. At 33.8 by 27.5 inches, it offers full coverage and a secure fit with a snap-on waistband.
Number 13. Create flawless joints with the self-centering doweling jig kit. Your precision solution for strong, straight dowel connections in panel furniture and woodworking projects. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this jig features laser-etched dimensional scales for accurate positioning and long-lasting durability. With adjustable metal bushings and 3 drill bit sizes, 8mm, 10mm, and 15mm, you'll get perfect alignment and clean holes every time, whether you're working on cabinets, shelves, or custom builds. Designed for plank thicknesses from 0 to 1.33 inches, it's ideal for both DIYers and professional woodworkers. The included organizer bag makes it easy to carry and store, so you can take precision on the go.
Number 14. Measure smarter with the CCI EAO 3D Multi-Angle Carpenter's Square, a precision layout tool designed for fast, accurate angle marking from 22.5 degree to 90 degree. Its 6-hole design and included angle pin make it easy to draw preset angles with confidence, perfect for miter cuts, layout lines, and repeatable measurements. Crafted from anodized aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, durable, and built to withstand job site wear. The UV printed scale is crisp, clear, and long-lasting, even under heavy use. Need portability? Just remove the screws with the included wrench and convert it into a compact square and triangle ruler, ready to slip into your apron pocket. Whether you're a DIYer or a construction pro, this tool improves accuracy, efficiency, and workflow across framing, cabinetry, and finish work.